I'm Kevin Lessica, a land surveyor with the Army Corps of Engineers Buffalo District. We had our crews out in Great Sodus Bay for a survey of the piers out there, and the survey was to assess some damage that may have taken place on the piers and also to get a good picture of the area so that we can figure out how to repair these things and what to do about the damage. For the survey, the crews used a UAS drone for imagery, and they're also utilizing a 3D laser scanner for positions and highly accurate modeling.